the match going in 3, 2, 1, go!
Over here on the red line side, Frostbite moving off that red ramp. They're lining up on that red side rolling goal. Knights of Neve also moved off the blue ramp. They're lining up on the medium blue rolling goal. Frostbite scores 1 in that red rolling goal. They're trying to move it slowly out of the way with 15 seconds remaining. Pioneer Robotics drops a couple in that red tall center structure. And Synergists going for the same on the blue, but they're not quite aligned and didn't make it. Pioneer Robotics were trying to trigger that cascade, but they're not quite lining up with that kickstand as time expired. In match number 76, autonomous mode, Knights of Knee, they are precariously on the edge of that ramp. We want to make sure they're not going to fall over. Our referees may clear that up. And they're going to do our final scoring for the autonomous of match number 76.
Thumbs up from the head ref. Drivers, grab your controllers. Okay, remaining drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we have everything in its perfect place for the driver-controlled period. Synergists going for that blue kickstand, giving it a push. Not knocking it out. They got to give it a little more force than that. Pioneer Robotics knocking out that red side. We got plenty of pieces in play now. Synergists abandoned that blue kickstand, so we still got half of the game pieces up there in that center structure. The Knights of Knee, they've grabbed that blue rolling goal. That's all one. They dropped one in there already, and they're going for a couple more. They're trying to get into that corner, that blue corner, where they're being blocked by Frostbite. Synergists meeting up with Pioneer Robotics over here. Synergists trying to avoid that red kickstand. And it looks like Pioneer Robotics grabbing onto that red tall rolling goal, but they're being pushed around a little bit by the Synergists. Frostbite's blocking the access from the Knights of Knee to get to the rest of those game pieces in the corner because they're trying to get them themselves. In this number 2 center structure position, when the pieces fall out of the center structure, they tend to go straight into these corners, making them a bit harder to access from these teams. The Knights of Knee shooting them up. They've got 4 already in that blue rolling goal, and they're trying to still get to some additional pieces to collect. We have just under a minute remaining in this match now. There we go. Knights of Knee triggering that cascade, getting the rest of those pieces in play. We got a lot more to work with now. Pioneer Robotics going up high. They have a full hopper spinning around, lining it up on that tall red rolling goal, waiting for that wobble to cease. 1, 2, 3, 4. They hit the rim and bounce right in. Knights of Knee, they've got a couple more, shooting them up and around into that tall blue rolling goal. That's the 30-second marker here in match number 76. Knights of Knee shooting them upwards still. They got a bunch up there, trying to line them up and fill up that tall goal as soon as possible. We got one robot on the red, robot on the blue, both going up for the high center structure. Synergist going up on the blue. Frostbite going up on the red. Frostbite scores 2, 3, 4, filling up that red center structures all the way to the top. We only have 8 seconds remaining. Synergists are still going for that blue center structure goal. Knights of Knee going for that blue ramp in the remaining 2 seconds. Frostbite parked in the parking zone. Pioneer Robotics dropping a couple more in that red goal. And right as time expires, Synergists dropping some of that blue center structure as well. That's lots of autonomous, or not autonomous, but endgame scoring here. Plenty for those referees.